Hello students. So this is the class 9 chapter 1 orienting yourself the use of coordinates, and we are going to cover end of chapter exercises, and here we have the question number 6. Are the points M coordinate this A and G on the straight line? Suggest a method to check this without plotting and joining them joining the points. So the question here is asked, we are given the 3 points and we have to prove that these three lines are on a straight line, and we can also say that when 3 points lie on a straight line, this property is called as this property is known as collinear. So the question may also ask like this, the 3 points are given, check whether these 3 points are collinear, or it may also be asked as 3 points are given to you, check whether these 3 points lie on a straight line or not. So both way the same method will be used, but as we have already given the coordinates of these points, so we can easily plot the points on the graph and join the points, and we'll get to know whether these 3 points are forming a straight line or not. But since the plotting on the graph is not allowed here, it has already mentioned suggest a method to check this without plotting and joining the point. So without plotting on graph, we'll have to check whether the points are collinear or lie on a straight line or not. So we have a method to prove whether the given points are collinear or not. So we are given 3 points M, A and G. To prove that these 3 points are collinear, suppose this is a line, and these 3 points lie on a straight line, as the question has said 3 points lie on a straight line, you have to prove this. So if we have to prove that these 3 points lie on a straight line, we'll just prove MA plus AG is equals to MG. If this equality is true while finding the value and putting the value, and when we do the calculation, if the equality is true, the 3 points are on a straight line, they are collinear, and if the equality is wrong, the 3 points are not collinear. So for this, first we'll have to find MA, AG and MG, and for this we'll use distance formula. The coordinate of M are -3, -4, A are 0 and 0, and G is 6 and 8. So first we'll find the length of MA. So formula of